in the Bedol Glamorgan. Thank you very much indeed. Well, despite the challenges ahead, as we were hearing from Owain, many Welsh communities have already taken major steps to cut their carbon footprints. Mike Griffiths has spent the day looking at what's been achieved in Swansea and the Amman Valley.
Okay, so how can we reduce our carbon footprints?
We could use solar panels.
An everyday lesson at Ysgol Bedol. Pupils here have a clear idea of the world they'd like to see.
Try not to be using the cars much and like using bikes instead of the car, because the car burns like petrol.
You must talk to your friends and your family about what you're learning. What do you say to them?
Well, I say that we should install solar panels to my house. But,
do you?
Yeah.
And what do they say to that?
Well, they haven't done it yet, but I'm trying to persuade them.
The school doesn't need any persuading. With solar panels across its roof, it says electricity bills have dropped substantially. In nearby Cwmllynfell, the old and the new. Their community-owned wind farm peers over the open-cast coal mine.
A lot of people saw coal as a natural local resource, and they also see now wind power and solar power as a local natural resource. And with our project, it's an £8 million wind farm. It's now owned by a local cooperative, so that income stays in the local area. We need to see practical measures to enable ordinary people to invest in renewable energy on their own homes. Also looking at electric cars, how to make that more accessible to more people.
A stone's throw away, the local community centre is also getting on board.
We run bingo, keep fit for the over 50s. There's a little gym here. There's a youth club run from here. We've got kickboxing classes. As you can see, we've got a new kitchen behind me here. We look at our electricity bill now. It's going to cost us a lot of money just to run this place for a year with the electricity. We get these solar panels on the roof. It'll save us, I think Dan has told us, it's going to save us about 20% on our electric bill, which is a lot of money for a little community venture like this.